Hello traders, welcome back to today's review on TNG Gold EA for MetaTrader 5. This one is from the TNG, developer and trader at Singapore. TNG stands for the next generation gold. It's on the MQ5 market, listing for about $239 the free demo. It was published 2nd July 2026. Now it's positioned as a gold only scalping system, and the developer has a few live signals running on different brokers. Let's walk through exactly what he's claiming. But before we dive into today's EA, and download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So according to the product page, TNG Gold is built around precision pending stop orders. As you can see, precision pending stop orders, buy stops and sell stops, plays at what he calls validated structural price levels. The idea is that the EA waits for price to come to it instead of chasing, and every setup has to clear a whole stack of filters before an order even gets armed. The multi-time frame regime engine is one, higher time frame trend alignment 2, directional momentum gating, a live tick volume surge check, and a street spread guard. Only when all those line up does it place the pending order. And for the exits, the developer says every trade opens with a predefined hard stop loss and a structured take profits. There's no floating targets, no averaging in, and no widening of losses. Once the trade is in profit, a multi-phase progressive trailing stop kicks in and tightens at different stage. As you can see here. He repeatedly stresses there's no grade, no martingale, no hedging, and no DCA. It's meant to be clean, rule-based, and FIFO broker friendly. Now let's go over to his live signals on VT market. You can see the 33% growth, profit of 81%, maximum drawdown 5.1, short deposit of $100. As you can see, a profit of $447. That is his live signal linked on the page from VT Markets. We have other signals on HFM and XNES showing similar short sample results. You can check that on your free time. That's the core of what the developer is putting forward. A selective gold breakout scalper that uses pending stops, multiple confirmation layers, hard risk limit, and progressive trading with the claim that it avoids the usual recovery systems. You can see the developer. Yeah. Let's look at his claims. We have default settings. I won't dive too deep into that. And for the setup, we have gold USD on the M15 time frame, hedging on netting account type, a minimum deposit of 100 recommended, and a 1:100 or higher leverage. They say you should just attach the EA, set your lot size, as you can see here, and you're good to go. No set files required. That's a built-in spread filter you can have configured, and so many other filters. For our prop firm traders, we have optional prop firm drawdown safeguard, and so forth. And let's look at what a longer historical backtest showed. Before that, let's look at this so we can have something to compare my backtest with. Initial deposit of 1000, Net profit of 13,000. Profit factor of 4.96. The developer is hyping it up as a very high profit factor. If you have been on this account, you will see that you have seen higher profit factor claims, but they rarely match up. Recovery factor of 15.85, low drawdown of 7.73, and for the balance, an equity drawdown low as 16.92. Is that really low though? Let's find out if the claim actually holds up. Now I ran the EA TNG Gold on the Gold USD M15 from July 2025 to July 2026 using every tick model based on real ticks, a 10k starting deposit on a 200 average. Now over that roughly 1 year period, produced about 233 trades, which is closer to 4 or 5 per week on average, other than the 1 to 3 claimed from the developer. Our net profit came in at 77,000, so roughly 770% on the starting equity. Now the profit factor of 1.94 and 1.79 recovery factor, much conservative compared to the 4 and 15 recovery. Our drawdown was high, or is high. Balance drawdown high at 42%, and relative equity drawdown at 42% drawdown. So it doesn't match the claim of the low drawdown they claimed. Moving over to the equity curve, climb pretty steadily. You can see this slow steady climb over here. And then you get these little drawdowns, little pullbacks, still climbing steadily, recovering and standing, climbing. And then we have this sharp drop over here. This is where equity drawdown peaked at just over 42%. The single largest loss. Let's check that largest loss at $36,568. After that, it recovered. But that 40+% air pocket is the part that stands out. As you can see, it can never recover past where it fell from. Now compare with the short life signals that show high 80s and 90s win and single digit drawdowns, the longer historical tests paint a more realistic picture of what the style of system can do when it runs into conditions the filters don't fully handle. The no grid, no martingale claim holds up. There's no recovery stacking, but the hard stops still allow meaningful absolute loss when the structural levels get it wrong. Part of this means the EA can deliver strong compounded results when gold is making clean directional moves that fit the multi-time frame and volume criteria. And who is this actually for? Traders who are comfortable with the possibility of 30 to 45% equity drawdowns on a non-martingale gold system and who want something selective rather than high frequency. However, it's less suitable if you need tight single-digit drawdowns for pop challenges or if you're expecting consistent weekly income with almost no flat periods. Results are based on historical performance only. Past numbers don't guarantee future ones. And that's the breakdown. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more EA reviews, and drop a comment telling me which robot you want me to look at next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot with the built-in indicators and candlestick patterns. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.